Visit us on onestepenglish.com.
Hello. Welcome to English Conversation course of One Step English.
Today, we are talking about requests and offers.
Hey, buddy, can I ask you a favor? Sure, what can I do for you? I wonder if you'd be willing to lend me your biology notes. I missed a couple of classes when I was sick, and now I'm totally lost. Okay. Why don't we go to the library, and copy my notebook, and then go to your place, and go over the lessons. I'm acing biology this semester, so I'm sure I can get you back on track. Oh, man, that will be a load off my shoulders. I can't thank you enough. Glad to help. As a matter of fact, I have a favor to ask of you. Oh yeah? Don't tell me you need more advice about your girlfriend. Well, not exactly. It's that her sister is coming up for the weekend, and I need to find her a date. Any chance you'd go out with her on Saturday night? We'd all four go to the theater and then out to eat. Look, I already agreed to go to the movies with Jay. But how about if I invite her to go to the movies with us instead? Of course, afterward, we'd grab a bite to eat, but it won't be anything fancy. That sounds great to me. Let me see what Julie thinks about it, and I'll get back to you ASAP. Good. And by the way, thanks again for the help with biology. I think I'm on top of it now. No problem. Don't hesitate to call me if you have any questions. Thanks, buddy. See you later.
Improving your conversation.
Making requests. A direct command is the strongest way to request urgent attention. For example,
Take her to the hospital. OMG. What happened? Take
her to the hospital. Making requests. Can also be used to request attention to a need. For example,
Can you call the police? Why? What happened? Can you
call the police? Please note, a direct command for assistance in attaining something you want, rather than something you need, is considered rude. Can you is also a little abrupt. Making requests. Will you is the most direct way to request what you want, and should always be preceded, or followed by, please. For example,
Will you please take me to the airport? No problem. Will you?
Will you please take me to the airport? Making requests. Could you, please, is a more polite way to request what you want. For example,
Could you babysit for my daughter this weekend? Sure. Where are you going? Could you?
could you babysit for my daughter this weekend? Making requests. Would you, please, is an even more polite way to request what you want. For example,
Would you take me to the store this afternoon? I'm glad to. Would you?
would you take me to the store this afternoon? Making requests. Would you mind, plus, ing, is the most formal way to ask someone to do something for you. For example,
Would you mind telling me how to get to the main highway? Just walk straight a little further, and there's the main highway. Would you mind telling?
would you mind telling me how to get to the main highway? Making requests. Would you mind if, plus, subjunctive, is a very polite way to ask permission to do something. For example,
Would you mind if I borrow your car? No, you can use it for a couple of hours. Would you mind if I borrow?
would you mind if I borrow your car? Making requests. To mind, can mean not be happy about. For example,
Do you mind if I use your phone? Yes, I do. You may not borrow it. Mind.
do you mind if I use your phone? Making requests. A favor is something that someone does to help someone else out. For example,
Will you do me a favor? Of course. What do you need? Favor.
will you do me a favor? Offering assistance. Several expressions are used to offer a favor, or assistance. I'll, plus, verb, indicates that you are taking action in an emergency. For example,
I'll take you to the hospital. Thank you for your help. I'll take.
I'll take you to the hospital. Offering assistance. Would you like to, plus, basic verb, can be used when what the person needs is obvious but not urgent. For example,
I see you're tired. Would you like to sit down? Yes. Thank you. Would you like to?
I see you're tired. Would you like to sit down? Offering assistance. Let me know if I can help you, or, I'll be glad to help you, are formal expressions used by receptionists, secretaries, sales clerks, or other people whose jobs involve providing services to the public. For example,
The doctor will be with you shortly. In the meantime, let me know if I can help you. I'll come to you when I need something. Let me know if I can help you.
the doctor will be with you shortly. In the meantime, let me know if I can help you. Offering assistance. Can I help you? Is a way to offer assistance to a stranger in need. For example,
You look lost. Can I help you? Yes. Do you know where this building is? Can I help you?
You look lost. Can I help you? Offering assistance. How can I help you? Is a way to offer assistance to someone who seems to want something. For example,
I'm the doctor's receptionist. How can I help you? I need to have an appointment with the doctor on Monday morning. How can I help you?
I'm the doctor's receptionist. How can I help you? Offering assistance. Is there any way I can help you? Indicates a sincere offer of help to someone you know well. For example,
Julie, I know you're not feeling well. Is there any way I can help you? Yes, please. Can you buy me some groceries? Is there any way I can help you?
Julie, I know you're not feeling well. Is there any way I can help you?
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.